Good day everyone, this is Teacher Nori. In this video, we are going to talk about materials and light energy. Light energy is a form of electromagnetic radiation of a wavelength, which can be seen by the human eye. It travels in the form of waves along a straight path. It travels at 300,000 kilometers per second without the need for a medium, unlike other forms of energy. Light energy is made up of photons, which are like tiny packets of energy. Photons are produced when an object's atom heats up and moves. The hotter the object, the more photons are produced. Light is given off by stars, light bulbs, lasers, and extremely hot objects. This illustration shows us that light energy can be transformed into other forms of energy. Bioluminescence. Some living things can make their own light through the process of bioluminescence. It is a chemical reaction that occurs within the body that produces light energy. Light and shadow. Light waves are called rays. When rays hit an object, it can be absorbed, reflected, or transmitted. Objects that do not allow light to pass through it are opaque objects. This means that these objects absorb light. They form the darkest shadow. Objects that allow some light to pass through it are translucent objects. These objects absorb and transmit light. They form light to dark shadows. Objects that allow the most amount of light to pass through it are transparent objects. These objects have the highest amount of transmission. They form no or very light shadows. This is an illustration of how light can pass through different objects. As you can see, transparent materials lets most light to pass through it. Translucent, only some of the light can pass through, and opaque materials does not allow light to pass through it at all. As an additional property of light, we have refraction. Refraction is the bending of light as it passes through different materials because its speed changes. Rainbows are formed because light is refracted in the water droplets suspended in air. This also happens when light passes through a prism. It is also the reason why some bodies of water look shallow when it is actually deep. And that is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Until next time!